Good morning everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to review a breakfast here in Spinningfield. The name of the place is Bagel Factory. But before that I just want to say a big thank you for watching my video, for subscribe, from comments. And yeah, we are in Spinningfield. So there are a lot of restaurants here. So let's just walk to the place. A big abandoned building over here in the front. So it's a very beautiful day today in Manchester. There will be around 16 degrees, so the spring is coming. So I heard about this place. They do a very good bagel breakfast, and I said I will just want to try and to show you guys if you are in Manchester and you're looking for a quick, nice breakfast, to go there to see exactly how it looks like. It's easy because it's exactly here in a city center in a Spinningfield. Or if you work in a finance here in this area and you didn't hear about that place, it will be nice for you to see exactly what this guy is doing. I think they're doing like a meal deal. We will try that one if they do. We have in front of me Ivy. So take as a point of repair, take Ivy, and we're going here and should be over there on a corner. So this is a nice area. Look, Hollywood stars. You see guys, Hollywood stars in Manchester. Probably there are some influencer. Look at the sun. I was missing these sunny days. I think they do some deals here. Let's see. Yeah, meal deal. It's $5.99. So this one is the place here in the front of me is a Bagel Factory. You see guys, they're doing the deal. So this one is, let's just go inside and order. Okay. So this one is so this is the menu guys. Here are all the condiments. Okay, I'm going outside and I wait for my bagel. Okay guys, so we have the breakfast. There we go. It's here. Let's see. We got the tea. So it's two meal deals here. Just be careful. It's one with a soft drink and a snack, which is $5.99, and one with coffee, which is, or tea, which is $6.99. So I got super big breakfast. As you can see, the brand, it's everywhere. But this table is not so good. I hope I can film properly. And this is the breakfast. Let me show you guys. Look at this. So what we have here, we have tomato, we have cheddar. So as you can see, we have hash brown, we have cheddar, we have sausage, hash brown, and I got with mustard because I like mustard in my breakfast. I don't know why. And I got the chamomile tea for this breakfast. There we go. Let's try. I tell you what, it's absolutely delicious. It's hot, nice. So if you come here, try the plain bagel. They have with cheese and jalapenos. They have different type of bagels. I can't remember all of them. I think there are like 5 or 6, but I like the plain one. Maybe if you like a little bit spicy, cheese and jalapenos is nice. Look at this, how good this look like. So this is 6.99. It says here on a receipt 5.99 big breakfast. I don't know what is that, but yeah, the deal is 6.99. Ooh, I burned myself with a tea. Oh, this table is very annoying. If you want to like a little breakfast, something quick and good, this is the place. For 6.99, it's absolutely delicious. I think I made a good decision by buying the super big one, because I want to show you the big one. Oh, the wind just blow. Look, it's going well. Very, very good. So they start serving food at 8 o'clock. I mean breakfast. All my napkins are going. Let me put them in a pocket. They start serving breakfast at 8 o'clock till 11 o'clock. And after that they do like a lunch bagels. But here everything is with bagels, which is nice. Because I like bagels. Let me show you again. Look at this beauty. Okay guys, I will finish this one, and after that I will tell you my honest opinion. Well, I tell you that guys, this was a bargain. If I recommend, absolutely. It was such a good breakfast. I didn't have such a good breakfast for a while now. The flavors were there, it's perfect. Here in Spinning Field, pop to the Bagel Factory and get yourself a nice breakfast. So they have 2 meal deals, exactly how it says. One is $5.99, that is with snacks, which is bagel, crisps, and a soft drink. I didn't want that one because the only option is Coke Zero, which that I will say it's a little bit annoying, because if somebody wants water, if I want to rate this one, I will say a solid 9. The only thing what I don't give him 10 is because of that option when you want to do a meal deal with a snack. You can choose the water instead of soft drinks, so need to be Coke Zero. If you sort it out, the deal to be available water also, for me will be 10 out of 10. If I will try again, absolutely. And let me know in a comment if you want me to do a video with the lunch menu, with the bagel lunch, to see how it looks like. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you find this video interesting, just consider to subscribe, comment, a like, and I will see you guys in the next video.